Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're opening Calendar and signing in now. Do that first so events sync across devices. Once signed in, make sure iCloud Calendar is enabled in Settings. This keeps everything current. Now tap the plus button to add an event. Give it a clear title, pick a date and time, add a location for Maps accuracy, and set an alert so you don't miss it. These steps create the foundation for reliable scheduling and immediate synchronization. Once you've created an event, decide how often it repeats: daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or a custom cadence. This reduces future data entry. Next, enable time zone support if you travel, because it locks the event to the chosen time zone and avoids confusion. Make sure to add invitees for shared events so attendees receive invites and RSVP. You can also attach notes, files, or set travel time. These details keep everyone informed and ensure the event runs smoothly. To finish, organize with multiple calendars. Assign colors for work, personal, and projects so your view stays clean and searchable. Once done, use the search field to quickly locate events and hide or show calendars to focus. If events don't sync, first toggle iCloud Calendar off and on. If that fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection. These steps resolve most sync errors and restore reliable calendar behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.